Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can delete your Threads account 2025. So first thing they should do is you just have to open your Threads application on your mobile device. After that, you just have to log into your account. So once you're here, you just have to click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right, so right here you have this two horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. So simply click on this one. All right, so here we have the account. All right, so you just have to click on the account status or the account. All right, after that, you have this option, which is to deactivate or delete profile. So simply click on it. That's right, and then you have this three options. Now, right here, you have this delete profile at the bottom of your screen. So just have to click on it, and then take note that deleting your profile is permanent. So your threads profile, content, likes, and followers will be hidden before being permanently removed in 30 days. So click on the delete profile after that, and then click on this password option. Then you just have to type out your password, your Instagram password, so that you'll be able to confirm your action, which is deleting your threads. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.